Recording.
Good morning. So, we're on the road. Motorcycle's running. Idling good. Sounds good. And this video is going to act twofold. I have recently gotten a new helmet cam. This video and sound is coming to you from a Sena 10C Evo. So video quality and sound is going to be a little questionable just for me. I don't know how this is going to come out, but I'm going to attach it to the end of this video to make sure that I don't have any leaks going on and see how the bike's running. I'm quite happy. Yeah, I got faith. I think that we finally licked that fuel leak, and I should be able to get to work and commute and do my trips for the foreseeable future. Man, I missed riding. Not used to the moto vlog style. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Well, it's nice not to hear, or I'm sorry, not nice not to smell fuel. Not seeing any either. Good news, good news. Friday morning traffic, 95 southbound, pretty typical. I've always said I've got a pretty decent commute, many times on the northbound side, on the opposite side of this median, it is bumper to bumper leading into downtown. So I've always had the benefit of driving in the opposite direction of traffic for most of my career, so thankful for that. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise on the video. I had an issue with my other camera where it was picking up a lot of wind noise on the highway and just in general, where it was pretty unbearable. It wasn't even worth using the camera at all. So hopefully this video footage is at least somewhat useful. Might edit some of this down. Not spitting or sputtering, so that's a good sign. And my gas light's not on. It's another good sign that I didn't mung up the gas float. Sometimes that's a risk when you're jostling around your fuel tank making repairs. So again, the camera I'm using is a Sena 10C Evo. It's a communications and video combo kit. We sell the Sena headsets at my dealership, and the helmet that I'm using is a Shui GT Air 2 full-faced helmet. It's got an integrated sunshade. I've got a good amount of use on this helmet. I just recently replaced the cheek pads and the comfort liner. Fits me a lot tighter. It's a little tight on the cheeks at the moment, but I'm just breaking it in. It's been nice. Happy that I got it. Pretty quiet on the highway. I've used it to go from Jacksonville out to Austin, Texas and back. A lot of long distance trips, no fatigue, fairly lightweight, good ventilation. Oh man, I missed riding. I don't even remember the last time I was on my bike. I gotta check the calendar. I think it's been a month. Definitely going through Keanu Reeves withdrawal. It's amazing. If you're off two wheels for any amount of time, you start feeling weird. It's true withdrawal, that's for sure. I empathize with any one of my customers or friends that aren't able to get the type of relief that you need by getting some two-wheel therapy. So if you got friends that ride and aren't able to, and you know that it's been a while, check on them, make that phone call, see how they're doing. I should have taken the express lane. those not familiar with the Jacksonville area, this is the Buckman Bridge. Leads from the Mandarin area over into the Orange Park area. We're now crossing over the St. Johns River. Off to my right is NAS Jacksonville, Naval Air Station Jacksonville, home of the Blue Angels. It's not a terrible commute. Been doing construction past couple weeks. I think the only thing I'm smelling is a little bit of that pipe dope that I used on the fitting, so that's good. there you have it, my morning commute, and I am happy to report it doesn't smell or look like I've got any leaks going on. Great success. Sweet. I'll keep everybody posted.